have stolen my brother's iPad, and today we're going to play different geography games. So let's just start with the first one, which is global. So click that. So basically how this game works is you just have to, it's basically a guessing game, sort of. Let's get rid of that ad. So just basically type in the name of the country. I'm gonna do Egypt. It might be slow because it's kind of hard to type in and film at the same time. So, okay, so let's see. Okay, so Egypt is sort of a warmish, just sort of like a mid. So we're not too close, we're not too far. Let's go with Kenya. God damn. It's hard to film and type. Okay, I don't even know. It's really hard to film and type at the same time. Okay, Kenya is... It's apparently cooler. Yeah, it's cooler. So, in which case, maybe... Let's go with somewhere in Europe then. Let's go with Italy. Oh, what happened there? I don't know. Let's go with Italy. Italia. See, bro. It's hard to type in film. God damn. Italy. Italy is cooler, so it's probably not Europe. Should we go... Yeah, I guess we should go here. So let's go India. Right, you know what, actually, guys? I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to do this. So I guess India. Oh, India's adjacent. That means it borders. The country that the answer is, it borders India. So it could be Nepal, it could be Bangladesh, it could be Pakistan, it could be a bunch of countries, basically. It could even be China. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this again. China, let's try China. Oh, China is also adjacent, so gotta be like Nepal, maybe? Sorry, guys, my apologies. Nepal. Oh, I spelled it wrong. It was a typo, But why do I keep... Nepal is cooler, so it's not Nepal. Maybe it's Pakistan or Bhutan. Let's try Bhutan. Sorry, guys. I don't want to keep pointing the camera away, but it's not Bhutan. Bhutan is warmer. So where is this then? Could be Pakistan. Let's try Pakistan. It was Pakistan. So that took 8 guesses. That was a nice one. So now let's go to the next game, which is... Let's just wait for it to load. It's Wordle. Here we go. So basically, you're presented with the country outline and to try and guess what country this is, but it could also be a territory. And at the moment, I don't know what country this is. I don't recognize this outline. Huh? What happened there? What did I just click? Let's just... There we go. So I don't recognize this, but I'm gonna go... What? No, what's going on? Why wouldn't it let me? Okay. Sorry about this, guys. I'm gonna go with Tajikistan. Tajikistan. Oh. Okay, so Tajikistan, not the worst guess, but it's towards the west of Tajikistan. So let's go. Should we go? Where should we go? Where should we go? Where should we go? Where should we go? I know it's not a European country because I know my European country outlined. I know the European country outlined. Yeah, again, it could also be a territory. Where would I go for this one? West. So let me go. I'm gonna go Azerbaijan. Nah, I'm gonna go Armenia. I actually don't think it's gonna be Armenia, but I'm just gonna go Armenia. And the results are saying that Armenia is a better guess, but it's still west of Armenia. Okay, so in which case, I am thinking it's a territory because it's not going to be Turkey, and it's not. And if it's west of Turkey, then it's pretty much Europe. But I know, but it's not a European. This isn't a European outline, unless I'm mistaken, and it is Europe. Let me try a country in Europe. Let me try Bulgaria. I know it's not Bulgaria. I don't feel like it'd be anywhere. Sorry, guys. I don't feel like it'd be anywhere close to Bulgaria, but I'm going to try it anyway. Let's just see what happens. Okay, well, it's closer, but it's still west of Bulgaria. West of Bulgaria. We only have limited guesses. We don't have all the guesses in the world. So, if it's west of... Let me get rid of this. Yeah, we only have 2 guesses left, so... West of Bulgaria. So, I guess it could be in Europe, then. West of... Bulgaria. Let me try... Might actually be a territory. It could be a micro nation. Let me try San Marino. I don't think it's gonna be San Marino, but let me just try it. Okay, San Marino is closer. It's the closest guess so far, but still not close enough. We have one last guess. So northwest of San Marino. So maybe what country outline is this? I wouldn't have said this is a European country outline, but it might actually be something. I'm actually generally interested to know what country outline this is. Okay. I'm going to try. I'm going to try Liechtenstein. I know for a fact it's not Liechtenstein, but I'm going to try Liechtenstein. Like, that's the closest one still, but still not there. West of Liechtenstein. Oh, I still have one, I guess. Okay. West of Liechtenstein. Only 896 kilometers away from Liechtenstein. So where could this be? West of Liechtenstein. So could this be west of Liechtenstein with Switzerland? But it's not Switzerland. France, but it's not France. And it also has to be, yeah. I genuinely don't know. It's not Switzerland. But I can't think of what this is. I thought I knew every single European country outline, but I guess I don't because I don't know what... This is obviously a European country, but I don't know what it is. So I guess I did know every single European country outline. And the answer is... The correct answer is... What was it? I didn't get to see. Unlucky, you didn't get... Minus 35% also didn't get it. Well, that still doesn't even make me feel better because that means a whole 65% did get it. So what was the country then? If I just... Where's my finger? What was the country? Hold on, guys, I'm sorry. Oh, to scroll up, okay. It was a territory. That's why. Oh, it's Guernsey. That's a UK territory. I didn't know that. Yeah, okay, fair enough, yeah. It was a territory, so I could never got that. I don't really know territory outlines, I only know country. So I guess then I still do know every single country outline in Europe, but not the territories. Anyway, next we're playing travel. So today, hold on. I won't go into reject keys. I don't know. So we're trying to get from Belgium to North Macedonia. So, we're gonna need France. France is gonna be. So we need to get from Belgium to Macedonia, North Macedonia in the shortest route possible. So we need France. Okay, I get France, but France isn't one of the quickest ways to get there. We need the quickest way. So let's go Germany. Let's just go Germany. Okay, so Germany is green, meaning that it is one of the most efficient routes to get there. And yeah, Belgium does border Germany, so we could have just gone there. Okay, so what's more? Okay, let me think about this. Let me plan this out. So I guess I could go from Germany to Switzerland, then to Italy, then to Croatia, and then to Bosnia. And I think Bosnia might border North Macedonia. So let's do it. We only have 9 guesses, and we've already used 3. No, we haven't. I did say 3 of 9 if we only guessed 2 guesses. But anyway, let's just go with Switzerland. Sorry, guys. Okay, Switzerland is also orange, so it's not one of the most efficient routes, but I think hopefully we can work this out. Let me go Italy. Italy's orange as well, but you just gotta trust the process. Now we're gonna go Croatia. Croatia. Okay, so Croatia is one of the shortest routes. Okay. Yeah. Oh, but wait, Croatia doesn't border Italy? Hold on. Doesn't Croatia border Italy? Yeah, I think it does. It does, doesn't it? It does, right, I think. Maybe. Anyway, from Croatia, we're gonna go with Bosnia. Sorry, guys. Bosnia and Herzegovina. Okay, so Bosnia doesn't border North Macedonia. So to get from Bosnia to North Macedonia, what should we go? It's a difficult question. I think it's gonna be Montenegro, maybe. Maybe Montenegro. Montenegro. It's funny because negro is a Spanish word. Okay, so we get Montenegro, but it still doesn't take us to Bosnia. So is it gonna be? Let's go with Albania. Oh, and this is our last guess, so it better be clutch. So Albania does connect, but we still technically haven't done it because I guess Italy and Croatia don't border each other, but what connects them, I think, is Slovenia. So let's go with Slovenia. Yeah, okay. We did it, but we only just managed. We only just did it. Literally like the last guess. So there's some countries that we didn't really need to go to but we did it in the end. We did it in the end. Next we have GeoGuessr, classic geography game. So we're only gonna play one of these. So you dropped in a random place on the planet, and you have to try and guess where that place is. Okay. So the sun is in the. Gosh. It's just so much harder when filming. So look at the compass. The sun is in the northern hemisphere. It looks like. Oh, it's a nice little rainbow. So this looks to me like. Let's look at the Google car. Okay, I don't really. So there is blue on the plates. That means it's Europe. See if we can look at the language. See if we can find some language to look at. Straight up with the camera quality, guys. Let me just. Sorry, guys. Okay. Oh, and my mind. It's not really a language I recognize, but I guess it could be Spanish maybe or Italian. I'm gonna go Spain. I'm just gonna go Spain. And that's just... I know I'm gonna be in the right continent, but I just don't know that's not Spain. Right, okay. This is harder one. Actually, just click Spain. There we go. So I'll click Spain. And... guess. Okay. It was actually... So I was thinking Italy. But I didn't see... But I know that Italy has, like, double strips, so, like... On the number plate, there's blue on one side of the number plate and there's blue on the other side. I didn't see it. Maybe I should have looked a bit more. But anyway, next we're going to, last but not least, just gotta wait for it to load. Sporkle. So red and white flags only. So we're going to be given a bunch of flags, and we're going to guess the ones with red and white only on them. And yeah, 15 seconds. Austria has red and white only. Bahrain has red and white only. Bahrain, I'm clicking Bahrain. Why is it not working? Canada. Not China. I didn't mean to click China. Denmark. This is stressful. Georgia. Indonesia. Japan. It's Russia again. Because we definitely can do it. Oh, this is different. I clicked it. This is a different thing. What is this? What is this quiz? What? Where can I cancel? Sorry, guys. Oh, what's that nice music? I don't know what quiz I just clicked. I don't know what quiz. You know what, guys? See you guys later. Never mind. Peace out.